Hello, in this video I'll share how to make Nigerian Aphrodisiac, pure unadulterated Magani Burantashi. If you are less than 18, please stop watching right now. Okay, if your libido is down below, keep watching and make sure you watch till the very end for a special tip. You just need 3 super ingredients. Tigernuts, these are dry ones, very mature coconut, and dates. Rinse the tiger nuts very well. Because these ones are dry, soak them in cool water for 48 hours. Put it in the fridge while it is soaking so it does not smell. In Nigeria, already hydrated tiger nuts are sold in the streets and markets by Hausa malams. If you buy those ones, no need to soak, just rinse and blend immediately. On the day you will make it, break the coconut and pry out the meat. Rinse very well and cut into pieces like this to help your blender. Rinse the dates and remove the seeds. These seeds are like stone, and if the blades of your blender jam them, that blender is a gunner. When done, cut the dates into pieces. Rinse the tiger nuts. This is what they look like after 48 hours of soaking. Here I'm preparing the sieve. I'll use this lady's stocking to separate the drink from the chaff. You can also use a chiffon cloth or a cheesecloth. Pour everything in the blender and add just enough water to help the blades of your blender move. Sieve it first with this sieve with a wire mesh. I usually blend the chaff with some water to get out more milk. Always use as small quantity of water as possible. Then pass it through the lady's stocking or chiffon cloth. That's it! Enjoy it with your other half. But if this one does not affect your libido in any way, add Irish cream to it. I guarantee you it will surely work. This drink is already doing something to me. Where is my husband? Bye!